Hi guys, today we are going to talk about the while loop in a Python. Basically, while loop is repeatedly execute the block of code as long as the specific conditions remain true. It will basically work in a loop till the conditions uh, not false. Let's see one by one. First, consider as a name as a user input. Enter your company name. Okay, that the input user input we are taking and we are storing into name variable. Consider first with the if conditions. If your name is equal to, we can say, is equal to blank. If it is a blank, then print, you say, please enter your current company name, else we can say using f string. F string is nothing but the format functionality. Company name is something we can. Company name is in a curly bracket that name variables we are giving. So let's test this code. Enter your company name. If I have not enter anything in your company name, so see, please enter your company name, and after the executions of the if block, its process has been completed. Process finish while execute. Process has been completed. So whenever I use that if condition, it will get executed only one time. And if you see about the while loop repeatedly execute the block of the code as long as the conditions remains true. Let's check for a while loop. If it is a while, okay, while name is equal to, then yield conditions will not come, and out of that box will print your conditions. Okay, now firstly check the conditions. If I didn't enter anything, see, it will get into the loop. It will execute the loop numbers of time. So this is the main difference between the if conditions, and we can say if conditions, and while loop conditions. The while loop conditions execute repeatedly numbers of the time till the conditions not get false, we can say. Second examples we are going to second examples we are going to watch is age. Let's see. Consider age or experience, we can say. Experience. Enter years of experience you have, while we can say this experience is greater than 0, experience greater than 0, we are going to print. Okay, experience greater than 0, we are going to print please. Experience can be negative, so please enter positive experience. Okay, if he is entering the negative, if he is entering a negative experience, then first once again we'll put this statement. If he is into the positive experience, company, instead of a company name, okay, you have years of experience. Or I can say, okay, you have let's run this score and see. Stop running. Okay, how many years? If I write negative numbers, I'm getting, why I'm getting zero not support between the instance of, okay, okay, before instance of the string and a integers. Before that we need to do a type testing, because input users is string function that we need to convert into a integer, and we can't perform greater than, less than, or equal to operators on string function. That is the main reason. So greater than, less than operators, so we are converting into the, we are doing the typecasting, we are converting that variable into integers. Okay, the string into a integers. So let's test code once again. How many years of experience I have? I have minus 8 years of experience. See, like, please enter a positive experience, and we are getting that while loop is not stopped after execution one time. It is executed multiple time till the conditions get, till the condition is the true, like the remain true, you can say. So enter the positive experience, and how will, what we are getting. Okay, once again we are getting, okay, this input functions also we need to do a typecasting. Okay, let's run once again. How many years of experience I have? 9 years of experience, or we can say, see, you have a 9 years of experience. So basically someone asks you what is the difference between the if conditions, when we can use the if conditions and the while condition. If condition is basically used when like the it is get executed only one time and it's get out of the loop, or we can say. But when you are using the while condition, the while condition is a execute like the some sort of a code repeated time till the conditions remain a true. That is the main difference between using a if conditions and the while loop. Thank you for watching.